lost in emotion, mama's youngest, trying to navigate life without my compass. Some experience death and feel numbness, but not me. I felt it all and couldn't function. Seeing you that day, telling you my plans, but I was leaving you that day. It was in God's hands. Yeah, it was at Elon's waiting to get with me. On my way to Texas, that's when Virginia hit me. And I realized in that instant, our last conversation, you was against it. Told you I was going to Turks for Thanksgiving. I heard what I wanted to hear, but didn't listen. You said you told Gene that Buck needed forgiveness. I see you went to Dee Dee's and stuffed both her fridges. You even told Dad you wished y'all never split it. See, you were checking boxes, I was checking my mentions. Saying you was trying but not ready to go. Basically was dying without letting me know. I love you, Magnage. Hate that he won't remember you. Two things that break my heart is what Novembers do. And T follows you. Now mind you, Dee Dee calls you. Gene finds you. Was that your vision? Precision. While I'm reminiscing, it all hits different. My listen. Birds don't sing. The birds don't sing. They scream to me. Birds don't sing. The birds don't sing. They scream to me. Birds don't sing, they screech. Your car was in the driveway, I knew you were home. By the third knock, the chill ran through my bones. The way you miss mama, I guess I should've known. Chivalry ain't dead, you ain't let her go alone. Found you in the kitchen, scriptures in the den. Half-written text that you never got to sing. Combing through your dresser drawer, where do I begin? Posted noted Bible quotes, were you preparing then? I can hear your voice now, I can feel your presence. Asking should I rap again, you gave me your blessing. The way you spelled it out, there's an L in every lesson. Boy, you owe it to the world, let your mess become your message. Shared you with my friends, the pops they never had. You lived for our fishing trips, damn I had a dad. Mine taught discipline, mine taught structure. Mine didn't mind when he had to pull a double. Mine worked overtime, smiled through the struggle. Cause mine wouldn't let us feel what he had to suffer. See, mine made sure he had every base covered. So imagine his pain, finding bass in the cupboard. Birds don't sing if the words don't sting. Your last few words in my ear still ring. Told me that you loved me, it was all in your tone. I love my two sons, was the code to your phones. Now you're home. Birds don't sing, come on. Birds don't sing, they scream to birds don't sing. Alright, y'all ready? Birds don't sing. Birds don't sing this. Birds don't sing. lost their mothers, fathers. And make sure that every single moment that you have with them, you show them love. You show them love, you'll see.